Hi guys, another day, another video. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo ay nagbubukas ako ng parcel. Ito ay yung lunchbox na buy one, take two na pinost ko nga sa aking Facebook account. Ayan siya. Buy one, take two is buy 1-piece lunchbox, take 1-piece thermal insulation lunchbox, and 1-piece 400 ml rabbit tumbler. At safe din siya sa freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe. Due to difference, monitors may cause the color of the item in the picture to look a little different from the actual product. Ito ay made with 100% natural wet straw renewable material, lightweight and duration safe, durable and shatterproof. The use of natural environment protection materials, green health, can be degraded, resistant to 180 degrees high temperature. There are many colors and simple fashion. Round design, easy to clean, suitable for everyone to use. This is the best choice. Hope to create a delightful lunch party for you. Kaya mami, mag-check out ka na habang hindi pa nauubos itong buy one, take two na to. Kasi mabilis lang po itong maubos. And thank you, mami!